The last human being alive dies on the 3rd page, and then the story really gets going. He is the monosyllabic avenger of a dead race. He is Shakara. The galaxy is in turmoil as planets, civilizations, even entire star systems face total annihilation or enslavement. But something is seemingly hell-bent on taking revenge for the destruction of its people. Retribution is coming from beyond the grave, thanks to the being that calls itself merely Shakara. Written by Robbie Morrison and beautifully illustrated by Flint, Shakara is inventive and mind-boggling 2000 AD at its very best. An explosion of high-concept, high-octane sci-fi that blasts across the page and never lets up. It's just bonkers. Morrison's action movie dialogue is exceeded by Flint's boundless imagination for intergalactic carnage, from slicing through clouds of aliens to galaxy-killing weapons to turning an entire planet into a motorbike. Virtually indestructible, utterly unstoppable, and wonderfully monosyllabic, Shakara is an instrument of vengeance created by a now extinct race of the same name. Shakara is a unique and very stylish old-school thrill that sticks to a simple premise and then ups the ante consistently over several series. By the time you learn the ultimate fate of the Shakara, only the utter destruction of pretty much everything will suffice, and the story does not disappoint. The complete story of Shakara is available in 2 paperback collections, Shakara the Avenger and Shakara the Destroyer, which are available from the 2000 AD webshop and apps. Next week on the 2000 AD ABC, we go from the deepest reaches of space to the frozen wastelands of the Arctic to meet the only polar bear on the CIA death list, Shakara.